Melody and I have spent the last 10 nights boondocking, dry camping in Big Bend National Park and Big Bend Ranch State Park here in Texas. Tonight we decided to splurge. We're staying at Maverick Ranch RV Park in Lajitas, Texas. Let me show you why this is worth the splurge. If you follow our YouTube channel, you know Melody and I love free and affordable RV camping. We paid $53 for a night here at Maverick Ranch RV Park. It's well worth the money. It's probably the most that we've spent in the last 8 months for a single night at any campground. But it's well worth it. Let me take you into this RV park and show you why it's worth splurging. So Maverick Ranch RV Park has a long, majestic entryway. That's the entryway you'll be coming down. When you arrive at the Welcome Center, that's the Welcome Center off to your right, they have a place for several RVs that Airstream is checking in right now. So that's where you're going to park to check in, folks. Melody and I stopped in the office yesterday on our way back from Terralinga. We had been camping in Big Bend Ranch State Park, and we wanted to check out the ghost town up there. And on the way back, we stopped in the office and we went ahead and paid for a one-night stay. It was $53 and some change, and that's with our veterans discount. Let me take you around the park. There is an ice machine right outside of the main office. And this is your view from within the campground. They have a large dog park. I just took Milo there this afternoon. And let me pan around here and show you the kind of scenery you're going to find if you camp here at Maverick Ranch RV Park. Isn't that something? The mountains are colorful. The sites are spacious. Melody and I have a pull-through site. We're staying one night. I didn't even disconnect. I'm still hooked up and I have plenty of room in the site. It's a full hookup. A lot of these sites, as you look around, there's plenty of room. You're not smashed up against your neighbor. Here's a typical site. It's site 37. Not a bad view, huh? And then all the sites have these pedestals. You have 30 and 50 amp electric hookups. There's cable hookups down here. You have your water hookup. And all the sites have SOAR. There's your SOAR hookup for this site. But we're very pleased with this RV park. I was able to update my iPad, a couple different iPhones, my laptop, all using the park Wi-Fi, folks. In excess of 20 megabytes per second download speed on the campground Wi-Fi that you can access right from your campsite. You have a laundry room in this building right here. I told you at the beginning of the video, Melody and I just spent 10 nights boondocking, dry camping in both the National Park and the Big Bend Ranch State Park. This campground is positioned like right in between both of those parks. So we needed to do laundry. Melody got all the laundry done this afternoon, and she did a video for you. I'm going to cut to that video right now.
I'm in the laundry room today at the Maverick Ranch RV Park in Lajitas, Texas. They have 5 washers and 6 dryers. Let's walk over here to the washers. And it is $2 to wash. And they take over on this side, you'll find the washers, and it is also $2, and it does take quarters as well. They have a folding table, an ironing board and iron, a sink, lots of places to sit, And over here, they even have stuff if you forgot your soap powder, fabric softeners.
And here is the pool that's right behind where the laundry and activity room is. Beautiful looking pool. They have several here. One in the campground, and I believe there's another pool across the road. They have some additional facilities across the road to include restaurants, folks. Melody and I will take you over there this evening, but it's also part of our splurge. Nice looking pool. This is a view from the activity area looking out toward the pool. And then as you progress back in this building, you have a cute little seating area in here. It is set up like a ranch, folks. They even have a television for you if you want to come down here and watch television. The air conditioning works great. Look at these air conditioning vents. It's in excess of 80 degrees in the first week of March, and it's cool in this building. This is a look at the restroom facilities in this building, and each of these stalls have a sink, a commode, the door locks, and you have your own shower. So it's one-stop shopping. When you come into the restroom, there's another stall, same deal. You got the commode, sink, and shower. Isn't that nice? Yeah. So just a wonderful facility in there. The RV park itself offers you everything that you need. My Cougar fifth wheel is right over in here. I'll take you over and show you my site. And then I'm going to show you the pamphlet they have. They have all kinds of activities here in Maverick Ranch RV Park. So here's my site. I'm on site 81. And I didn't unhook. We're here for one night. And sure glad we got an opportunity to update everything on the Wi-Fi and dump our tanks and do laundry. This was a resupply, well, not resupply. This is a very remote area down in here, folks. Look at the, this is the campsite. Yeah, you don't find too many campgrounds that are set up like this. With fire rings like this and all this space with your site. But it is a very remote region down here. Very little cell service, if any. There is some in Lajitas here, and there's cell service in Terlinga. But where Melody and I were camped, both in the National Park and Big Bend Ranch State Park, zero cell service, and we have all three carriers. And just resupply. You know, you have a few general stores here and there, but no Walmarts, no big box shops. I mean, you're hours away from a place where you can resupply. There are the essentials here. They have a general store as part of the resort complex here at Maverick Ranch. And we're going to take you over there, as well as what they call the boardwalk where all the restaurants are. We'll go over there later tonight. But let me take you inside my RV. I want to show you this pamphlet with all the activities that they have here at Maverick Ranch. So I'm in my RV at my desk, and I want to show you this pamphlet. Maverick Ranch RV Park has 101 RV sites, 60 pull-throughs, and lots of activities. Look at some of these activities. Zip line tour. They have cowboy action shoots. You can shoot clay pigeons. They have horseback riding. You can take a paddleboard ride down the Rio Grande River. There are also, if not from the ranch here, they have outfitters that will take you on canoe trips, kayak trips down the Rio Grande. We've seen them during our stay here. There's hiking just within the ranch here. They have all kinds of trails within the ranch. There's a spa. They have a general store. The on-site dining is that boardwalk area I told you about. Melody and I are going to walk over there tonight and check that area out. We may show you some of that. And there's a golf course here, and it's an award-winning golf course. People just rent golf carts to tour the golf course. It's so scenic. So it's known as one of the most scenic golf courses in the state of Texas. So let's continue the tour of Maverick Ranch outside. So there's another vantage point of my campsite. You got to admit that has some aesthetics, doesn't it? I'm going to take you over and we're going to check out the general store. In the RV park, everything's pretty compact. That's the building with the pool behind it and the laundry facilities and the shower house. And then right over here is where you check in. And these people are really friendly in there. They took really good care of me yesterday. Let me take you down and show you this general store. Well, I'm on the way to the general store and the Sunoco station that has diesel fuel. It's owned by Maverick Ranch. And I ran into the mayor. Well, hi. The mayor's got a cool job. This is the Sunoco station. It looks like diesel right now is $4.99 a gallon. Like I said, we're in a remote area. It's not that much in Terralinga, but hey, we're not in Terralinga. This is Lajitas, and there's the Lajitas General Store. So at the Lajitas General Store, they did not have any prickly pear candy. They did have some prickly pear wine. They were supposed to have some prickly pear margaritas over at the boardwalk. So we're gonna have to see if we can try one of those margaritas out. But well-stocked general store. I'll give you a little sample photos right now. So just for general orientation purposes, this is the entrance to Maverick Ranch. Right across the road are where the restaurants are. I'm going to take a walk up in there, but back down toward Terralinga, down that way is the Sunoco station, about a quarter mile. And I'm going to take you for a walk through the restaurants up here, and then Melody and I are going to get cleaned up and go over there tonight, and I may show you some footage from this evening. But if you want to do grocery shopping, Terralinga's the place. There's a general store we did grocery shopping at. I believe it's called the Cottonwood General Store in Terralinga. I've arrived at the boardwalk at Lajitas. Let's go check it out. So as you enter the boardwalk, that's the fitness center. Then they have a Red Rock Outfitters, and also where you can check out the zip line. Badlands Emporium. Reception. What is this? Let's check it out. They have their own hotel here, folks. Isn't that something? So I guess if I would look down, Lajitas Golf Resort. And this is where you check in. It's very opulent in there. I didn't want to take a bunch of photographs of the reception staff and all that, but it's really classy in there, folks. So yeah, they have villas that you can rent, and there's an actual hotel that's up above where these stores are. Spa, theater, deli, and bakery. You can see the spa down there. And I'm going to take a walk around, orient myself, but the place is pretty classy, folks. That's a look back up toward the bakery and pizzeria, but right in here they have a functional theater, Flat Rock Theater Company. Let me just walk you up here, and they do have movies that are playing in here. Despicable Me, Red Notice, Extinct, Home Team, Flat Rock Theater. Saloon and restaurant, that's what I want to check out. Wow, I mean, if you were just coming in, I mean, this place is out in the middle of nowhere, folks. There is not much around here. Melody and I have been backcountry camping for the last couple weeks. This knocks our socks off that this is even here. Wow. Well, this gives you an idea what you're looking at. What the heck is that? That looks like, I'm not talking about the fountain, I'm talking about, oh, it looks like a, must be a shade. That trellis over there, that must be for shade. Walk out here. Wow, wow. Look at that water. Oh, this is an amphitheater. Yeah, they got an amphitheater. What a backdrop. Look at those mountains. Well, I guess Lajitas Resort truly is a resort. I heard a lot about Maverick Ranch RV Park, and there's the golf course over in there. I could see why they won awards. And here is that restaurant. So now I need to find a menu. Boy, that pizza was good. So was the Bloody Mary. I think I'm gonna leave it here. If you like these videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road.